guys, it's Tracy and Faith, and today we're going to be vlogging our trip back home. So this will probably be kind of a long vlog.
Shut up!
I
said I
did. What will you tell me? Look at that bag. Why is so aggressive, sweetie? I did not tell him to come downstairs.
And who did he hear this from? The little birdie.
Crappy attitude.
In the frame, Grace.
Point one.
How was that?
It was great because I didn't have to see you. You know what? It is not a mukbang or a mukbang. It is a
You don't know what it is. Disgusting.
Oh, look who has answered. Your boyfriend?
Oh, Trace.
No.
Yes.
I need to know.
No, wait, Faith.
What?
Faith.
Tell me now.
No.
I need to know.
No, wait, Faith, stop. Trust me. Okay?
No,
What,
when I
Faith?
sent you last
No,
night.
Faith, wait.
When I sent you last night.
Yes.
Gracie told me to. I knew there was no way you'd make that up on your own. You're not creative enough.
Thank you. God, she's gonna
Yes.
I was my face.
Guess what? I was gonna say. Oh my gosh! Speaking of lesbians, apparently, I'm the R in tolerance. Well, don't put this in a vlog.
Woo!
You're not putting this on the vlog. I hope you know you're not gonna be able to put all
Daddy.
that in this.
I opened it up. Hey!
Who are you saying hi to?
I don't know.
You're stupid.
Can I get a 3-finger combo, please?
They don't have
An extra side of.
They do have toast! Give me my phone! No. King sauce, yes, mom. Can I get a Hoya? No, Hoya! Who will ask what?
Trace will ask.
Yes.
No, I never said that.
Well, we were at Dillard's.
I'm gonna zoom up on her face while I'm editing this and just watch her go.
Like the Kim Jong-un and the Jake Paul collab? I haven't seen it. I don't like Jake Paul.
Start your
I have
day.
something to say. I have this feeling, this prediction, this video will go viral.